Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2014 Toyota Rav4 and we're replacing spark plugs. Well, let's get into it. So we're going to remove this engine cover, place it on the ground. Looks like we have some rodent piss on that there 10mm. We have some FIFO action, ladies and gentlemen. Wonderful. Well, they decline multipoint. All they want are spark plugs. Say no more. Say less. 1, 2, 3, 4 10mm. 1, 2, 3, 4 connectors. Coils come out. Be very careful with these connectors, guys, because these tabs can and will break off. So many heat cycles, the plastic becomes brittle. Alright, very good. They all came out. Now, guys, meow, another tip of the video. You can label your coil packs if you would like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or what I like to do is I'll just lay them out in the order that I took them out. Oh, we got 3 gaskets that stayed. We'll put that one there. We're gonna put this one there. We're gonna put this one there. Very good. Should have did this at the beginning. You don't want any debris falling in the hole. Crack them free. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's check these plugs out. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cylinder 3, cylinder 4. Now let's prep the new ones. Just a little dab of the high temp right there. Right there. Very good. Now let's get this spark plug in there. I use this rubber hose. Why? Because it aids in the installation of the spark plug itself. It's a little more difficult to cross thread, and you'll know once it's tight, and then you got to put the socket on. Yep, right there. You got some resistance, and we're in. Torque specification is 10 Newton meters. There we go. Oh, come on, give me my socket back. That wasn't 10. Alright, that was. Very good. Next up, we have our dielectric grease. We have our #1 coil. Stick some in there. Drop it in. Coil #2. Coil #3, remember, to fix the and coil #4, remember to fix that there. Dielectric grease and put it in. Another tip, guys, always check your coil connectors for any corrosion, and if you would like, put some dielectric grease in that connector as well. I'll put a little smear, a little spackle.
Alright, do that again.
Just enough to coat
Down and hold.
the pins. Not too much though.
Again.
Just enough. Last one.
One more time.
Very good. Now we'll get all the mounting hardware in. Double check your connectors. Very good. Here's these rubbers, there, and here. Good. Let's get all this off and start the vehicle.
Contact.
Alright, very good, guys. It starts, it's running. Now top the washer fluid off and go right back to the customer because they declined the multipoint. And as you can see, there's plenty of FIFO and 2 holes action. And that's how you replace spark plugs for the 4-cylinder Toyota Rav 4. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.